Jai Sriman While ruling whatever Ramachandra Swami ordered, while following orders of Sri Ramachandra Swami, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Pratignya Paragaha. While standing on his own words, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Ramagamanam Akankshan. While waiting for Sri Ramachandra Swami, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Sasanam Sarva Padukabhyam Nyavedayat. All kind of affairs of that kingdom, all kind of political affairs and everything, he is presenting to Padukas. While doing that, Bharata is living in Nandigramam. Nandigrame avasat. In Nandigramam only Bharata living. Then Bharata, after deciding all this, with so much of faith in Sri Ramachandra Swami's Padukas, he did Paduka Pattabhishekam. Tatastu Bharataha Sriman Abhishichya Arya Paduke. He did Paduka Pattabhishekam. Then completely surrendering to Padukas. Tadadhinaha. While surrendering to Padukas, he started taking care of kingdom. Tada Rajyam Karayamasa Sarvada. Everything he is presenting to Padukas. Whatever the small and big work that he had to do, he had to launch. Everything, first thing he does is, he does presents to the Padukas. If somebody brings anything, if somebody brings any valuable things or any gift, Sapadukabhyam Pradhamam Nivedya. First thing he offers to Padukas, and then Bharata takes care of all the things as and how it's supposed to be taken care. Like that, Bharata, being completely dedicated to, surrendered to Padukas, Sri Rama Padukas, he started taking care of kingdom while living in Nandigramam. Here in the forest, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, they started living while enjoying the association of all the great rishis. Sri Ramachandra Swami serving all the rishis. One of those days, Ramachandra Swami started noticing that all the rishis from that place started moving to other places. Everybody making their arrangements to move from there. Rama got a doubt why all the rishis are emptying this place, vacating this place. So he went to one of not only that, all the rishis talking to each other while looking at Rama. Rama noticed that, observed that. So Rama got a doubt and went and approached one of the older rishis, who is known as Kulapati. He went there and Krutanjalihi Vuvacha. Rama did namaskaram to him and started inquiring, O Maharshi, why all the rishis looking at me and talking to each other and making arrangements to vacate this place? Why? Did I do anything, any wrong thing towards our rishis? Or did my brother Lakshmana did anything wrong to all the rishis? O Maharshi, or did Sitamma do anything wrong to all the rishis? Please let me know. Ramachandra Swami asked that Maharshi like that. Then that Maharshi saying that, Kutaha Kalyana Satvayaha. Rama, how did you even expect that? How are you even saying that Sitamma would do something wrong to rishis? She would never do wrong a wrong thing to anyone, and especially in the case of these Maharshis. Sitamma is so gentle and she is the embodiment of Sattvika Gunam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.